Welcome back to UbAutoS, your go-to spot for everything cars, reviews, specs, and features of the hottest rides in the game. If you're a car enthusiast or just love learning about the latest machines hitting the roads, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into something truly special today, the 2025 Nissan GT-R. This car has been an icon for decades, earning nicknames like Godzilla for its raw power and cutting-edge technology. But what does the latest model bring to the table? Stick around, because we're about to take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the new GT-R. First off, let's talk about design. The 2025 Nissan GT-R stays true to its legendary silhouette but brings in some fresh upgrades. The front fascia has been refined with sleeker LED headlights that give the car a more aggressive and futuristic look. You'll notice the wider front grille that not only adds to its bold appearance but also improves airflow for better engine cooling. Around the back, Nissan has kept the signature quad taillights but sharpened the edges, making the rear profile look even more muscular. And let's not forget those massive exhaust tips. They're not just for show, they promise some serious growl when you hit the gas pedal. The GT-R's aerodynamic upgrades are also worth mentioning. Nissan has introduced new air vents and a redesigned rear spoiler to improve downforce without compromising top speed. All these tweaks help the GT-R stick to the road like glue, especially when cornering at high speeds. Plus, you'll get new alloy wheel designs wrapped in high-performance tires that grip the road better than ever before. Now, moving on to what really matters, the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 GT-R comes packed with a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. Sounds familiar? That's because Nissan knows not to mess with perfection. But here's the kicker. The engineers have managed to squeeze out even more power from the same engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower and around 481 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to rocket you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.9 seconds. The transmission system is a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic that offers lightning-fast gear shifts. Whether you're cruising through city streets or burning rubber on the track, the GT-R's performance remains sharp, responsive, and utterly exhilarating. And if you're wondering about the all-wheel drive system, yes, it's still here, offering incredible grip and stability even in less than perfect driving conditions. But power isn't everything if the handling doesn't match up, and that's where the 2025 GT-R really shines. The car comes with an updated suspension system that uses adaptive dampers, allowing it to adjust in real time based on road conditions and your driving style. Whether you're navigating tight corners or just enjoying a smooth highway cruise, the GT-R delivers a driving experience that's nothing short of thrilling. Of course, no modern car review would be complete without talking about tech. Inside the 2025 GT-R, you'll find a refreshed cabin that blends sportiness with luxury. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The new interface is much more intuitive and faster than previous models, giving drivers easy access to essential controls without taking their eyes off the road for too long. The GT-R also features a premium sound system, but let's be honest, most enthusiasts would rather listen to the engine's roar than any playlist. Still, it's nice to have the option for those long highway drives. The interior materials have been upgraded too, with more leather and carbon fiber accents, giving the cabin a more refined, high-end feel. Safety is another area where the GT-R doesn't compromise. Nissan has packed the 2025 model with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's clear that while the GT-R is a beast on the track, it also ensures your safety on everyday drives. Let's talk fuel efficiency for a second. Now, no one buys a GT-R expecting it to be economical, but Nissan has made minor tweaks to improve fuel consumption slightly compared to older models. You're looking at around 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 on the highway, which is actually respectable for a car delivering this level of performance. Now comes the big question, is the 2025 Nissan GT-R worth the price tag? Starting at around $120,000, it's not exactly affordable. But if you compare it to other high-performance sports cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo or the Audi R8, the GT-R offers similar, if not better, performance at a more competitive price point. Plus, it brings with it decades of legacy, reliability, and that unmistakable GT-R charm. For those of you who are hardcore enthusiasts, Nissan has also introduced a special NISMO edition of the 2025 GT-R. This variant pushes the limits even further, offering additional horsepower, track-tuned suspension, and exclusive design tweaks that make it stand out from the standard version. It's more expensive, of course, but if you're looking for the ultimate GT-R experience, this is the one to go for. So, who is this car for? If you're someone who craves adrenaline, loves cutting-edge automotive technology, and respects the legacy of one of Japan's most iconic cars, the 2025 GT-R is definitely worth considering. It's not just a car, it's a statement of power, precision, and passion for driving. Before we wrap this up, let's take a moment to appreciate what Nissan has achieved here. In a world where electric cars and hybrids are quickly becoming the norm, the GT-R stands as a testament to old-school engineering meeting modern innovation. It's a reminder of why we fell in love with cars in the first place: the speed, the sound, the feeling of total control behind the wheel. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Nissan GT-R. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to UbAutoS, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the new GT-R. Would you buy it, or is there another car that's caught your eye? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your engines revving and your passion for cars alive. See you in the next video.